Good morning children. Today we are going to see grade 5 science unit 5 natural phenomena. So lesson 13 moon. We already seen the part 1 video, no? This is our part 2 video in moon lesson. Clear children? So in previous class what are we studied? We studied about the surface of moon and we studied about why we are called moon as natural satellite of the earth. What is the definition of the satellite? Isn't it? Any object which revolves around the earth, we call it as in same orbit, we call it as satellite. So moon is the natural satellite of the earth. All those things we studied before. Moon have a surface of the moon have craters, high mountains, valleys and all present in moon, isn't it? Then moon doesn't have no air, no water, so because no atmosphere in the moon, that's why there is no life in the moon. All those things we studied in the previous video, moon part 1 video. So now in part 2 video we are going to see about moon, landing on moon. So scientists, they planned, they want to study about moon, so they made a spacecraft to overcome the earth gravities and they moved towards the moon. Okay, they made the spacecraft in such a way, they moved towards the moon and they landed on moon by using a spacecraft. 1D or 1D. Okay, so this, when it happens? On July 21. In which year? 1969. See, 1969 it. American spacecraft. Okay, have you seen the launching panel la paathirukeenga launch? So they launched a spacecraft. So name of the spacecraft is Apollo 11. Okay, this name of the spacecraft is Apollo 11. Okay, so they launched this, it landed on moon. Okay, when they launched on July 21, which country? America. Okay, in which year? 1967 they launched Apollo 11, it's landed on moon. And in America, from which state? The state Florida. From Florida they launched. So that particular the spacecraft center name is Kennedy Space Center. And the particular area on the Florida state Kennedy Space Center, they launched the Apollo 11. Then not only simply the spacecraft, inside the spacecraft 3 scientists, 3 astronauts. Astronauts means those who are study about the space and all the objects, earth, moon, sun patti or space patti எல்லாம் படிக்கிறவங்களுக்கு என்ன சொல்வாங்க? Astronauts. Okay, they 3 astronauts where they traveled. Scientists Neil Armstrong, Edwin Aldrin and Michael Collins. Neil Armstrong, Edwin Aldrin and Michael Collins. So among these 3 persons, okay, Neil Armstrong is the person who stepped first on the moon. Neil Armstrong is the man who stepped first on the moon. And when his foot stand on the moon, he said a famous saying, see, that's a one small step. He kept only the small step. That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind. இந்த சின்ன அடிதான் பெரிய மாறுதலை கொண்டு வர போகுது அப்படின்னு சொல்றாரு. That's one small step for a man, one giant leap, பெரிய மாறுதல், then one giant leap for mankind, இந்த உலகத்துக்கு கொண்டு வர போகுது. Isn't it? And those scientists brought back some rocks from the moon's rock, and they left some scientific equipments, okay, some scientific equipments, so things they kept back in the moon in order to get information about the moon, in order to get information about the moon and the space and life existence, all those things, presence of water. In order to get the information about moon, they left some scientific equipments on the moon itself. Then they brought back some rocks to study about the moon history and how it find what can come in future, like that. In order to study about the moons, they bring some rocks and they left some scientific equipments on moon. See, look at the picture. This is the Apollo 11 spacecraft. So where they launched on at Florida. USA means what? United States of America. Who launched this Apollo 11? United States of America. In which space center? Kennedy Space Center. This is Apollo 11, which is launched from Kennedy Space Center. Okay, so Neil Armstrong, who were the three astronauts were traveled? Neil Armstrong, Edwin Aldrin and Michael Collins. Neil Armstrong, Edwin Aldrin and Michael Collins. Among these three, who stepped first on the moon? Neil Armstrong. So he is the person who stepped first on the moon, Neil Armstrong. What he says, the famous saying is, that's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind. இந்த சின்ன அடி தான் பெரிய மாறுதலை கொண்டு வர போகுது ஃபியூச்சரில். Okay, then these are the rocks which they brought from the moon, and these are the equipments what they left at the moon to study further about moon and to get some information about the space. Okay children, so now we are going to see about eclipse. அதாவது in Tamil we are said கிரகணம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, கிரகணம், சந்திர கிரகணம், சூரிய கிரகணம் அப்படின்லாம் சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா. So now we are going to see about the eclipse. Eclipses means what in Tamil? கிரகணங்கள். Okay, eclipses. E-C-L-I-P-S-E-S. Eclipses means கிரகணங்கள். Okay, here I given some word about objects. Okay, before going to what is about eclipse, first we have to know about the nature of the objects. சில things ஓட nature தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். What nature? Light passes through some objects. So look at this objects. Light can pass through this object, isn't it? Light can pass through this object. We can't get the shadow of the object. இந்த object ஓட light அடிக்கிறதுனால இதோட நிழல் தெரியாது. We can't get the shadow of that particular object because light travels through the objects. அந்த object வழியா போகுது. So plain glass, light travel through the objects. அந்த glass ஓட ஷேடோலாம் நமக்கு கிடைக்காது, isn't it? See, look at this object. Light travels through the object but partially, full travel agala. So this plastic paper, oil paper, light passes through that but full pass agala. Part of the light only passes, even though we can't get the shadow of that object. And the paper oda shadow la avlo clear ah kedaikadu, isn't it? See, look at this object, a ball or book. See, we can get any kind of thick objects the light cannot pass through the object, so we can get the shadow of the object. We can get the shadow of the object, isn't it? So we are seeing three different objects, so we have to name the three different objects first of all. So the object which allows light to pass through that, the object which allows light to pass through that, those objects are called, object means what? Things. Those things are called transparent. Okay, transparent objects. The object which allows the light to pass through that are called transparent objects. Then the objects, the oil, paper and all I said, no, those objects are called translucent. They allow light but partially, பாதி தான் allow பண்ணும். So such kind of objects are called translucent objects. Part of the light only they allow. The two, they doesn't form the clear shadow. They doesn't form the clear shadow. Whereas the objects, very thick, heavy objects, solid objects form shadow. They doesn't allow the light to pass through that. So such objects are called opaque objects. So if any opaque objects are there, we can get the clear shadow of that opaque objects. When power shut down, we'll try to play some dog, we'll do like this, like horn and all we'll keep, no? So this and all, because the light cannot pass through our hand. So that only with the help of the torch light we are forming that small picturization shadows on the wall. So such objects which doesn't allow the light to pass through that, such objects are called as opaque objects. So from the opaque objects we can get the shadow. Light cannot pass through that, so we can get the shadow of the opaque objects. So opaque objects form shadow. So if I ask you earth and moon, in which category you keep? Transparent or translucent or in opaque? Earth and moon, if you take it into object, where we keep? In opaque. So light cannot passes through the earth, passes through the moon, isn't it? So it's a opaque objects. Okay. So sunlight falls, isn't it? Sunlight falls on us, falls on moon and on earth. So shadow will form, no? Sunlight falls on that. So look at the picture. We three are there. That means sun, moon, earth. Sun, moon and earth is there. See, sunlight will fall on the moon, isn't it? And earth. From the earth we are viewing. See, imagine we are in earth. What is in order I said? Sun, moon and earth. Okay, so where we are living, we are on the earth. So imagine from the earth we are viewing the sun. Is it possible to view the sun completely? Who will hidden our way? Moon. Okay, moon hide the view of the sun. Moon hide the view of the sun. We are seeing from the earth. Moon hides our view. We can't see the full sun completely, no? So that thing we call it as solar eclipse. Graganam. Surya Graganam. Solar eclipse. See, the eclipse word means hidden from view. The word eclipse means hidden from view. நம்முடைய பார்வையிலிருந்து மறைஞ்சிடுறது, hidden, நம்ம பார்வையிலிருந்து மறையுது for few hours, 1 hour 2 hours சொல்லுவாங்களே, இந்த 1 மணி நேரத்துக்கு சந்திர கிரகணம் இருக்கு, சூரிய கிரகணம் இருக்கு, like that we are hearing from the news now. So hidden from view, what is that word meaning? Eclipse word means hidden from view. So sun, moon and earth, from the earth we are viewing. So moon hide the view of the sun for few hours, 1 hour or half an hour, like that. So for completely ஒரு few seconds இருக்கும், அப்புறம் partial மாறும். So that we called as partial solar eclipse, total solar eclipse, like that or all. Then same thing, look at the picture. So here sun is in the same position, but sun, earth and moon, sun, earth and moon. From the earth we can't view the moon. See, the sunlight falls on our earth, sunlight falls on our earth. So from the earth we can't view the moon because the earth block the sunlight which falls on the moon. So நம்மளுடைய shadow, earth ஓட shadow is falls on the moon. So from earth, நம்ம earthல இருந்து அந்த மூனை பார்க்க முடியாது. We can't view the moon from the earth. If this 3 are in straight line, that's the main point. If these 3 are in straight line, so that we called as lunar eclipse, Chandra Graganam. Luna, Luna, Luna na another name for moon. Okay, moon உடைய அப்படின்றதுக்கு lunar eclipse. தமிழ்ல சொல்லணும்னா சந்திர கிரகணம். சந்திரன்றது another name for the நிலா, நிலாவோட இன்னொரு பேர். ஓகே, சந்திர கிரகணம், lunar eclipse. So from the earth we can't view the moon. Earth shadow falls on the moon because sun oda light earth la padudhu. So earth shadow enga padudhu? Moon la padudhu. So we can't view the shadow dhaan theriyum, moon la shadow theriyudhu. So we can't view the moon completely for few hours. So we call that condition. When these 3 are in straight line only, this will happen. So that condition we called, those few hours we call it as lunar eclipse. Okay, so what is meant by eclipse? See, a total முழுசாகவோ இல்லை partial பாதியாகவோ மூவ் ஆகும்போது, all these 3 are in moving, no? So sun is in the center, அது தன்னைத்தானே சுற்றிட்டு sun அங்கேயே இருக்கு. But moon and earth are in the moving in their orbits. So eclipse அப்படியே இருக்காது, few hours இருக்கும், அப்புறம் அப்படியே மாறிட்டே இருக்கும். So for few hours we will get total eclipse, ஃபுல்லாக மறைஞ்சிருக்கும், அப்புறம் அப்படியே கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமாக அப்படியே நகர்றது தெரியும்ல அந்த ஷேடோ. ஸோ total or partial darkening of a heavenly body, we call the sun and moon are heavenly bodies, isn't it? A total or partial darkening of a heavenly body like sun or moon. சில நேரத்துக்கு sun தெரியல, earthல we are in earth. ஸோ இங்கே earthல இருந்து நம்மளுக்கு கொஞ்ச நேரத்துக்கு sun தெரியாமல் இருக்கும், that we called solar eclipse. And moon தெரியல, that we called lunar eclipse. Like sun or moon owing to the formation of shadow, அப்படி ஷேடோ பார்க்குற மாதிரி தெரியுது இல்லையா? ஸோ owing to the formation of shadow causes an eclipse, அதுதான் கிரகணத்தை உருவாக்குது. ஓகே, சன்னு தெரியலனா we call that condition. எர்த்லேருந்து சன்னு கொஞ்ச நேரத்துக்கு தெரியலனா that we called as solar eclipse. மூன் கொஞ்ச நேரத்துக்கு தெரியலனா that we called as lunar eclipse. Luna is another name for the moon. Clear, children? So now we'll see both the things together, lunar and solar. Okay, Clear children? Lunar one side la indha pakka solar puttu. Again we will see few explanations. Clear children? See children, so now I written lunar eclipse one side and solar eclipse on other side. So we will see the comparison along with the pictures. Okay, then it will be very clear. We understand the concept very clear when we view the both simultaneously. Okay, see what is the nature of earth and moon. That means moon is a natural satellite of the earth. It revolves around the earth. What is the nature of the moon? Revolve na sutthudu. Moon revolves around the earth. Moon revolves around the earth. Look at the picture. Moon revolves around the earth. There is no doubt in this, no? Okay, moon revolves. Earth sutti varadu. Okay. So, in such condition, who is there? Sun also there. Sun is there. Okay, in the center of the solar system, sun is present, no? So, sun is there. Moon revolves around the earth. In one condition, sun, earth and moon comes in straight line. சுத்திட்டு இருக்கும்போது ஒரு டைம்ல ஸ்ட்ரைட்டா வருமா? Do you understand? Sun, earth and moon, these three will come in straight line. Why it happens? Because moon revolves the earth. So in particular time these three will come in straight line. Who three? Sun, earth and moon. ஒரு பொசிஷன்ல மூணுமே நேரா வந்துரும் சுத்திட்டு இருக்கிறதுனால, isn't it? In such condition, sun emits very bright light, isn't it? So the sunlight will falls on the earth straightly. See, these three are in straight line. Sun, earth and moon are in straight line. Look at the picture very carefully. So these three are in straight line. So sunlight is falls on the earth and moon, isn't it? So because the moon, earth is in straight line, the earth forms the shadow, isn't it? Sun oda light pattu earth oda shadow vilum. Yaar mele? Falls on moon. Earth's shadow, look at the picture carefully. Earth's shadow, sunlight வந்து earth மேல படுது. Earth's shadow is falls on the moon. எர்த்தோட நிழல் மூன் மேல படுது. Earth's shadow will falls on moon. Whose shadow? Earth's shadow will falls on moon. When it will happen? When these three are sun, earth and moon comes in straight line only it happens. Not in all the days. In which day these three comes in the straight line position, that day alone this eclipse happens. Not all the 365 days. Okay, in which particular day these three are comes in straight line, that day alone eclipse happens. What is eclipse? The shadow will fall on other heavenly body, isn't it? Whose shadow is now is forming? Our earth shadow is falls on moon. Earth shadow is falls on moon. Okay, so we are in the earth. So for our view, we are unable to see the moon fully. From the we are in earth, no, so we can't see the moon fully. So moon hidden from our view. Moon is hidden from our view. நம்மளுக்கு moon தெளிவா தெரியாது. Look at the pictures. These three sun, earth and moon are in straight line. நம்மளோட எர்த்தோட ஷேடோ மூன்ல படுறதுனால எர்த்துல இருந்து நம்மளால மூனை பார்க்க முடியாது. Moon hidden from our view. Okay, so this condition we called lunar eclipse. Already I explained, luna means another name for the moon. Okay, lunar eclipse. So when it will happen, which day எப்போ எக்லிப்ஸ் வருதோ அது கண்டிப்பாக ஃபுல் மூன் டேவாக தான் இருக்கும். ஃபுல் மூன் நைட் occurs on full moon night. It occurs. அப்போ ஃபுல் மூனாக இருந்தால் தானே அந்த ஷேடோ விழுறது தெரியும். மற்ற நாள் நம்மளுக்கு தெரியவே தெரியாது இல்லையா. மூன் another places இருந்தால் நம்மளுக்கு தெரியாது. So if it is full moon night only we can view it very clearly. In nature also eclipse, lunar eclipse occurs only on full moon night. Lunar eclipse occurs only on full moon light. Okay, full moon night. Okay, this, look at the picture. Sun, earth and moon. Earth shadow falls on moon. So from the earth we can't view the moon completely. So that hidden view of moon, okay, that we call lunar eclipse. So now we'll switch over to the solar eclipse. Okay, solar eclipse. Same thing, moon revolves around the earth. Moon revolves around the earth. And in one condition, one day, while it revolves, moon earth சுத்திட்டு இருக்கும்போது, moon revolves the earth, earth சுத்திட்டு இருக்கும்போது, in one day these three will come in straight line. Sun, moon and earth. இப்படி வருது. Okay, sun, earth and moon வருது. But now sun, moon and earth, these three will come in straight line. Okay, sun, moon and earth. So when these three will come in straight line, so now you say whose shadow will fall? Who is hiding the light now? We are in the earth. நம்ம earthல தான் சொல்லணும் இல்லையா. So we are in earth. earthல இருந்து நம்மளுக்கு பார்க்கிறதுக்கு சன்னோட வியூ தெரியாது. Isn't it? சன்னு மறைச்சிடுது. யார் மறைக்கிறா சன்னை? மூன். So sun hidden from our view. Sun hidden from our view. நம்ம earthல இருந்து பார்க்கிறதுக்கு sun clear-ஆ தெரியல. Look at the picture carefully. We are in earth. We can't view the sun completely. Who hidden the path? Moon. Moon is in the center. Isn't it? So இப்போ இப்படி பாரு. இப்போ சன்னோட லைட்டு மூனில் படும். அப்போ மூனோட ஷேடோ எங்கே பட்டிருக்கும்? எர்த்தில் பட்டிருக்கும் இல்லையா. சன்லைட் ஃபால்ஸ் ஆன் மூன். மூன் ஷேடோ falls on the earth, particular area. Moon சின்னது இல்லையா. So sunlight falls on moon, moon shadow will falls on the earth. மூனோட shadow இப்போ earthல இருக்கும். The people who are living in that particular area where moon shadow is formed on the earth, that area people alone unable to see the view of the sun fully for few hours. அப்படியே இல்லை, ஒரு 2 மணி நேரம் 3 மணி நேரம். Okay, for few hours from the earth we are unable to see the view of the sun. Clear children? So that condition we call solar eclipse. That condition alone we call solar eclipse. Okay, மூனோட ஷேடோ earthல விழுந்திருக்கும். sun இருக்கு, moon இருக்கு. மூனோட ஷேடோ earthல விழுக்கும். The moon shadow will falls on the particular area. That area people alone unable to see the view of the sun clearly. That condition we called as solar eclipse. Sunனுக்கு இன்னொரு பேர் என்னது? Solar. Okay, solar eclipse. So that when it occurs, solar eclipse always occurs on new moon day. Solar eclipse always occur on new moon day. New moon day என்னது? அமாவாசை. No moon சொல்லக்கூடாது. New moon day அமாவாசை. Full moon day in பௌர்ணமி. Okay, பௌர்ணமி. So this one, whose shadow is falling? Moon's shadow is falling. Where it's falling moon shadow? On the earth. Okay, அப்போ அந்த ஏரியாவில் இருந்து சன்னை பார்க்குறவங்களுக்கு சன்னோட வியூ தெரியாது, மூன் மறைச்சிருச்சு. So they will announce in the news, no, how we have to take precautions, we can't. So அந்த கிரகணம் பார்க்கலான்னு ஒரு ஆசையில் அப்படியே போய் பார்க்கக்கூடாது. Sunlight is, even in normal days we can't, you should not see the sun in naked eye. அப்போ எக்லிப்ஸ் டைமில் அப்படி அந்த மூன் நகர்ந்துட்டே இருக்கப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பளிச்சுன்னு லைட் அடித்து கண்ணு போயிடும். ஸோ we have to take some precautions we have to keep some that solar glasses la available are. Okay, so we have to prepare for that before itself, then wear that sunglasses, then go and view the eclipse movements. Okay, so you should not, okay, you should not view this sun with your naked eye. Normal eye la paakave koodadu. Okay, so do some precautionary methods before itself. So moon shadow falls on the earth. Those area people unknown cannot view the sun clearly on particular hours. Okay, that we call solar eclipse. So are you clear about this lunar eclipse and solar eclipse now? Okay, so in next video class we are going to see about, is there any relationship between the ocean tides, அலை இருக்கு இல்லையா, கடல் அலைக்கும் மூணுக்கும் எதுவும் சம்பந்தம் இருக்கா? Is there any relationship between the tides and moon? அலைக்கும் மூணுக்கும் ஏதாவது சம்பந்தம் இருக்கா? Okay, so our elders and all used to say, no, பௌர்ணமி அன்னைக்கு பயங்கரமா அலை இருக்கும் அப்படி, they are saying, no, so is that all those facts are true or not? We are going to see about the relationship between tides, ocean tides and moon in our next video class. Okay, so this is our part 2 video in moon lesson. In part 3 video we are going to see about the relationship between ocean tides and moon and about artificial satellites and all in our part 3 video class. Okay children, along with this I given one worksheet, please finish the worksheet. Okay, if you do all the work after viewing your video class, immediately it is easy for you. So don't postpone your work. Clear children? Thank you.